वास्कोतल्या कदंब बस स्थानकाक वेळ लागला खरो, पण 75% काम पूर्ण जाला आणि काम नेटान चल्ला अशें कदंब महामंडळाचे अध्यक्ष कार्लोस आल्मेदा हांणी सांगला. टप्प्याटप्प्यान हे काम जातले आणि ऑगस्ट 2020 मेरेन ते पूर्ण करतले. हो भारतांतलो एक बऱ्यांतलो बरो बस स्टँड जातलो अशें कार्लोस आल्मेदा म्हणटा. वास्कोच्यान RDX खातीर प्रसाद नायक.
आणि आम्ही मागता आम्ही जाणार की आम्ही चुकले म्हणून केसले गव्हर्नमेंट पण आता आमचं सीएमआर बरोबर चालू सांगा विल गो एंड टू बस स्टँड and I have stated particular status of the bus stand we have completed 311 bags already completed. After will be the administrative building, then will be the municipal parking and all. So they are taking increases now. अनेक को सांगण्यात आहे की आणि ऑन द वे there are the road is very bad, photos are there. Even that property is given. It is by nature they start over. By Tuesday or Wednesday. They come अनुभव आहे किती बदल. One more thing I want to thank the Chief Minister. He gave a lot of support for the project. And he was the right chairman when the work started.
Although this is because the main road it is very congested. And there are a lot of other hindrances, but not getting into negative discussion, it is better to talk positive dialogue.
Why was it delayed?
So project was delayed. There are a lot of financial issues because the project was taken up at a very long time back. Payment issues are there, but I will put that behind because Honorable MLA sir has committed to us and has, in fact, last time we had a meeting about 1 month back, and after that the payments have also come. And those technical issues and commercial issues are now behind the scene.
KTC बस स्टँड आमच्या वास्कोकारा खातीर एक्चुअली 96 करोड म्हटल्यार खंय तरी एक आमचो हो प्रोजेक्ट आमकां हायलायट करता. म्हाका दिसता हो प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट जावपाक मातशी डिले जाला. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराची मिस्टेक आसा आनी खंय तरी आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाची मातशी खंय तरी मिस्टेक आसा फायनान्शियली. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसतलें फायनान्शियली खंय तरी सगळ्यांक त्रास पडटा. गव्हर्मेंट आमचो मातसो त्रासान आसा फायनान्शियली. तरी सुद्धा म्हाका दिसता हांगासर 392 पायल्स आसलेले भितर 118 बॅलन्स आहा पायलींग आनी 274 पायल्स कंप्लीट जालेले आसा. ऑलमोस्ट 75% आमचे पायलींग काम कंप्लीट जालेलें आहा. सगळ्यांक काम ते ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट जाय गेल्यार पायलींग हे 75% 80% कंप्लीट जाला. 25%
That is the main cause. Rather, this was not very today. Unmanned vessels, you cannot keep an unmanned vessel. Actually, I can keep unmanned cars under the road. You are me. In the sea, you can't keep an unmanned vessel.